Here's a pair of the AirPods Pro 3. I'm going to show you to perform a factory reset. You want to perform a factory reset if you have issues connecting or pairing, or it's out of sync, it keeps disconnecting, and so on. Anyway, a factory reset is very simple on this, okay? But first, before we factory reset this, note that I'm actually paired to this phone here. It's my my iPhone here. So if I want to connect back to this after I do the factory reset, let me first go into my settings on here, and I'm going to go to my Bluetooth, and then you can see my AirPods Pro, it was connected here. Let me click on that eye and let me just remove it totally. I'll click on forget this device. On an Android phone it may say like unpair, okay? Anyway, okay, so I just completely removed it. Now let's factory reset these, okay? Now watch very closely. Let's open this up. Now double tap 3 times. 1 2 1 2 1 2. Now it turns amber. That's exactly what you want. Now just wait until it turns white again, okay? If you didn't get that orange light, just close the lid, open it, and double tap again, okay? Anyway, the factory reset is done. Now it's slowly blinking white, which indicates it's in pairing mode. So now if I want to connect back to this phone, I can connect here or connect to another device or whatnot. So pretty simple.